Hello everyone, it's Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. I have another Stitch Fix unboxing today. Merry Christmas, it's Christmas Eve. You almost made it, we're in the home stretch. I decided to do a little bit of change of location to be a little festive today. I got a really big box, I'm kind of surprised. I hope it's a cheap box because I don't know about all you other moms out there, but I am as broke as it gets the day before Christmas. Yeah, I have no money. So we'll see how much I can justify out of this box. I asked for something specific this time. I got a 5 for 5 last time and it was great and I have loved everything. This time my note said I would really like a tartan scarf, like a plaid scarf, and I pinned some things, and so I'm kind of looking forward to that. And then also I said let's start the season out, or sorry, let's start the New Year's out right and get some kind of active wear exercise clothes. I don't do a lot of exercise outside the house. I do yoga, I do my Julian workouts. But every January I do a 30 days yoga with Adriene, and it's like a 30-day yoga challenge. Yoga with Adriene's on YouTube. She's great and funny and fun and doesn't take it too seriously, but it's also a really great workout. So if you're looking for a great way to set some good intentions at the beginning of the year, it's such a great way to do it. It's way better than doing a resolution. But okay, so let's get started. It is a really big box, so I'll see how it goes. Okay, if you don't know about Stitch Fix, you can watch one of my other videos. You can go online. I'll put my referral code down below so that you can use it. You get $25 off your first fix. Uh-oh, shoes. That's exciting. Let's see. Oh, those are kind of adorable. This is, I wonder if this goes along with my activewear. Am I gonna work out in these? I don't think so. What do they call that? That activewear fashion. You'll help me. I can't remember what it's called. I just heard it. But these are Keds, and they're this gray color, and they're pretty stinking cute, actually. I was in the market for a new pair of Converse, so maybe these will work out similarly. So, okay, try those on. Ooh, burrito. This burrito doesn't look like a lot of active wear, but it looks cute anyway, so okay, let's see. Wait a minute, first thing, for goodness sakes, let's get serious. Okay, yes, now I can start. Okay, oh, interesting. I haven't seen this on any videos. So it's like just a pullover. It's really soft. It's got a funny little kind of cowl, looks like neck, but that's real fun. Let's see what it says on it here. It's by Pink Clover. It's an extra large. Oh, Julley elbow patch detail brush knit top. Oh, look at, is that exercise wear? I don't know, but it's cute anyways. I'll try it on. Okay, so here is the scarf. It's not what I was thinking. It's not what I was really looking for. It's still cute and it's really soft. I guess it's a plaid scarf, but it's not, is that me? That doesn't look kind of tartan to me, even, it just looks plaid. Maybe there's no difference, but it is really pretty and super soft. It's by Girly, and I'll try it on and we'll check prices. Okay, this is a Market and Spruce sweater. It's just looks like a plain crew neck sweater. Yeah, just like what I have on kind of right now. Looks full length sleeves, kind of a maroon, burgundy, and white color. It's kind of plain, but it could be cute on, so we'll see. Oh, okay. Okay, here's the last thing. These are some Nike tight fit Sculpt Luxe high rise training pants. So They are, I don't know, they don't look full length, but they don't look cropped. So somewhere probably mid-calf, I would guess. And so we'll try these guys on, just kind of workout leggings, which could be really great. I could use a pair of these. All right, I will try them on and then you can help me decide. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here is the first outfit. And I just went down and showed Lon what I got. And he said, oh, the shirt's cute, blah, blah, blah. And then I said, well, what about the pants? He goes, oh, turn around and show me the back. And then he goes, ooh, these look good to me, or they get my approval. I can't remember what he said, but needless to say, the pants are a thumbs up from Lon. So the shirt is not a workout shirt. I don't think, I mean, you could maybe a little bit, but it's really soft and comfy and snuggly. Depends on the price. Now I'll have you look at the pants, and they're hard to tell because they're just black leggings, but they're real snug. Everything is real tight in there, which is good. They are actually full. I can't get the angle right, but they are full length. I thought they were like mid-calf, but they're not. They're all the way to the bottom. Now I have some other Nike pants that are similar to this, but they're kind of outdoor running pants. They're a little bit thicker. And so I guess it'll depend on the price on if these are a good fit for me. They feel great. The shirt's cute. I don't know if I need it again. It might depend on the price this time in particular. So I'll go try on the next thing and we'll see how those go. Okay, here's the scarf. It's really soft and it's pretty cute. It just wasn't really what I was looking for. We'll have to just see on the price because I do really like it and I don't have that many scarves, but I really wanted, I don't know, it's like, has lots of reds and oranges and yellows and cream tartan, and that's what I pinned. I don't know, but the blue is really nice too, so it's just a regular old scarf. It's pretty and soft. So here's a sweater. I just left it on with my last leggings. I don't know, sweaters are hard for me. I see people try them on, and I think the same thing about theirs is that they're just, there's nothing interesting. There's nothing that interesting about a sweater. It's bulky. They're not ever particularly flattering. It's soft, it fits. It actually looks better with the leggings than I think with jeans because it's a little bit long. It's a bit bulky. I mean, it's a sweater. What else is it supposed to be? So it's a real pretty color though. That big cable knit. I bet my daughter would love this. I don't know, nothing special. Again, it depends on the price. All right, let me try on the shoes. That's the last thing. Okay, here's the shoes, and they're just like a heathered gray ked. They're pretty fun. They're pretty comfortable. Nothing special. I think it's just gonna depend on the price. So I'll get the price list out, I'll read my stylist note, and we'll review. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I tried everything on, and although nothing was like spectacular, I asked for workout clothes, and it's winter. How spectacular can things be? I really liked everything. I don't think I missed the mark on things, but nothing's like, oh my God, I have to have that. But again, it depends on prices because there is a lot of cute stuff. So, okay, let's check the prices. It matters to me, it matters to everybody. Okay. It's still spendy, geez, I thought, oh, this might be a cheaper one. Okay, so the Nike leggings, I knew those would be spendy because it's Nike. 95 bucks though? I don't know, I just was on, I know, blast from the past, I was on Eddie Bauer's website, and they're having a 50% off sale, and they had tights like this for 40 bucks. And I have some Eddie Bauer, I happen to have some Eddie Bauer tights like this, and they're great. So, God, that would be tough. They fit well, and they squeeze and push all the right places, but $95, wow. I don't know if I care that much, it says Nike. Okay, the The Nicolete, Market & Spruce Nicolete pullover is $68. It's a nice sweater, $68. I don't think that's a bad price at all. Does it do anything for me? I don't know. Could I use a big sweater? I have to go look in my wardrobe and see if I have like a gap somewhere as far as sweaters go. But I'll have to think about that. I don't know. I don't have a big vibe like yes. So, okay. The next is the Keds. The Keds are 50 bucks. The one thing I noted about these is, you know, we live in the Seattle area and it's muddy and wet and yucky here. And so I probably wouldn't even be able to wear these until spring. So, they're cute though. Okay, have to think about that, 50 bucks, okay. The elbow patch pullover. This was really soft and I could see wearing this a lot. I don't know if I'd work out in it, but I could put this on, run to the grocery store, work, sleep. I could use this, I could wear this a lot and it's $44. So I think that's a really reasonable price. And so I might get that one. Okay, and then the last thing was the navy scarf and it's $38. It's real soft, but you know what? It's not exactly what I was looking for. And I could definitely use a scarf and it's not that far off, but I think I kind of want to hold out for something that is really great. So maybe I'll try and insert a picture of the some of the pins that I pinned that I'm looking for. But it's really soft, really great. 38 bucks is not totally crazy. So if I bought everything, or sorry, the whole total is $294.95. Damn, that's high. Minus the buy 5 discount of 25%, that's $73.74. Minus my $20 styling fee is $201.21. I feel like that's a bit steep for this box. I think that my last box with jeans and a bunch of great shirts was the same price, and this just doesn't, it seems a little overpriced to me. Let me know what you think. I am stumped by this one. It's really nice, and I just keep holding on to this because it's so soft. Let me know what you think. Have a very Merry Christmas and have a wonderful New Year. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye. Priorities.